This is a great area for harvesting.
Watch your feet. Don't want to end up with pig droppings on them shoes of yours. For all the good it does, Bleakrock is snowed over 6 months of the year. When it isn't, the soil's poor. We eat a lot of dairy. Aurochs can graze and eat hay from the mainland. We mainly live on fish, and that crazy Orgonian likes mud crabs. You know what I miss? Apples. Used to get them when I was a boy in Falkreath. No more. The Pact offered a bounty for settlers. They wanted the garrison at the tower to have access to civilization. But you didn't know civilization smells like Auroch dung, eh?
I've got a lot of work to do. Sorry. It's not the pigs. I love these pigs. They're like messy kids. It's all the other work I have to do around here. And for what? Look at this place. Nothing grows here. Ask myself that every night as I lie in the loft. Life's got to be better in Windhelm or Riften. Just a couple more seasons and I'm leaving. Father can hire some help.
Let's ride.
You see I'm busy.
do you think you'll make with that?
Can I interest you in anything?
Kind keep you, friend. Come to turn some trash into treasure?
Come, do your trading here. Thirsty? Brew your own!
Most Nords don't really appreciate the gift of magic or what I do. Including me. I'd rather be a lumberjack.
I don't remember why I came here, but I have every regret for doing so. If I could move backwards through time, I would slap myself. Of course, we provisioners practice the arts of cooking and brewing. Good food requires the best ingredients. We gather fresh meat and produce from crates, barrels, and the like. If we're lucky, we'll also find recipes in chests, trunks, and desks. Once you've copied the recipe down and acquired the necessary ingredients, that's when the real fun begins. Cooking pots and rotisseries can be found all over. You need only find one, select a recipe, and then indulge in the simple joy of cooking. Don't forget drink. Hearty meals will fill your belly, increasing your general well-being, both body and soul. Strong drink can stimulate the humours, allowing you to recover more quickly. If you're lucky, you might find a recipe that does both.
Hey there. Hungry? I'm your woman.
Pains me to think of leaving this place behind. But maybe it's time I did. The danger is too great. Of course, enchanting is the art of empowerment. We gather runes found throughout the world and use our special instruments to assemble them into glyphs. These glyphs can be used to magically enhance worn or wielded items. Not exactly. Runes can be extracted from glyphs you find while adventuring. It's a delicate process, so you'll have to return to one of our workstations to proceed. Note that the glyph will be destroyed in the process. Unfortunate, but necessary. Glyphs are assembled by combining 3 different runes. Potency runes determine the glyph's strength. Aspect affects the glyph's quality. Finally, the essence rune decides the glyph's effect. It's a delicate art, best learned by doing. Good luck.
Everyone stay calm. We've done all this before. Take a load off. Our banks are the most secure places in all Tamriel. We pride ourselves on our services. Our mysterious guest. My husband Holsgar was the one who found you. If you're looking to buy supplies, you've come to the right place. We put hammer to anvil to forge armor and weapons. This requires a lot of metal. We scour hills and caves looking for rare ores to work. Raw materials will only take you so far. You need style books and special ingredients for more advanced work. You bet. A true blacksmith can read the metal to determine its potential. During the forging process, we can choose a trait that best fits the item, provided we've done our research. Additional sharpening, extra weight, these are just examples. Well, the piece can be augmented even more through the use of tempers. These elements can enhance the value and quality of your work. Of course, no worthwhile endeavor comes without risk. Trying to improve an item can result in breaks, so be careful. Everyone stay calm. We've done all this before.
I swear, if he goes back to that cave again, I'm going to punch him in the throat.
All this stuff that was in there. We have to go back and get some. The evil baby man must be gone now, right? Wow, did you see that? And that other and... Oh, come on, Raleigh.
That daughter of mine, you mark my words, she'll never amount to anything. She spends all day with the blacksmith. She wants to move to the mainland and spend her life at a forge. That nice fisherman Otrogar has been trying to woo her for months. She won't even listen to him.
We must make sure everyone's accounted for.
Watch your feet. Don't want to end up with pig droppings on them shoes of yours.
Never trust anyone who doesn't see the value in reading.
Right behind you, partner.
I'll prepare the town for evacuation. Find as many people as you can and send them back here. I'll answer what I can. Captain Tilronni's got the villagers thinking I'm an addled netch, but I'm actually a bit smarter than that. I took her job. You might have heard her yelling about that in the square. It's petty, but what can I do? Every time I've reached out to her, she's slapped my hand. Posted to this backwater, you mean? I made a hasty decision, a bad call. Soldiers died. I learned my lesson. Now I don't act without proof. I'll prepare the town for evacuation. Find as many people as you can and send them back here. The people of Bleakrock owe you. I owe you. You're right. We can't wait any longer. Vivek preserve us all. The Covenant is here. They've taken the signal fire, and we need to warn the mainland. I need you to carve a path through them and light it. The beacon stands atop the tower just outside town. I'm going to rally the villagers and get them ready to go. Find Tilronni when you're done at the tower. She'll hold the way open. She knows where to go. Get that fire lit. We'll be ready to go when you get back. I don't expect to see those troops again. We're headed for a beach on the far side of the island. They don't think I know about it, but smugglers sometimes anchor in that cove. I just hope we catch a break.